you're listening to this with tears in your eyes, I want you to know your story isn't finished. Mwari tibatsire tichiri kufamba. Grace Amara, we keep believing. Sweet Luga, it will get better. Some mornings I wake up and I don't know how I'll make it through. Bills on the table, dreams in my heart, and 1,000 things I have to do. I smile when somebody asks me, are you okay? But they don't see the battles I fought before today. I have cried when nobody saw me. I have prayed when words were gone. I have questioned my tomorrow, but somehow I kept moving on. Ndakaneta timwe nguva, asi andina kurega. Mwari vakandibata ruoko, vakanditi enda mberi mwana wangu. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Maybe the door didn't open, maybe the answer came late, maybe the road became longer than I thought I could take. But I'm still here, I'm still breathing, and that means there's still a reason. Whatever I couldn't see, someday things will work out for my good. I've cried in the dark, but I understood. Namwari, sweet Luga, the journey of life is a heavy road. Bare feet on the stone, still I carry hope. Namwari, sweet Luga, someday things will work out for my good. I keep on walking even when I'm bruised. The journey of life is not an easy one, but we do not lose hope. We keep holding on. So let us celebrate. Lift your cup up high, dance with the tears still drying in your eyes. Cause one thing I know deep inside is true. Sweet Luga, it will all come true. I know what it's like to watch people move ahead while you're standing still. To celebrate somebody else's blessing while you're waiting for your own miracle. I know what it's like to lose somebody and pretend you're strong enough to say God has a plan when your heart is saying, Lord, this is too much. But every night I survived was another victory. Every tear that fell was watering something I couldn't see. Dakachema, dakanamata, dakati mwari musandisia. And somehow in the morning I found strength to try again. Try again. They may not understand your journey, they may only see the scars, but God knows every midnight that you prayed inside the dark. You don't have to see the whole road, just take another step. One on one, what do you saw? Your best days aren't over yet. I've cried in the dark, but I understood. Namwari, sweet Luga, the journey of life is a heavy road. Bare feet on the stone, still I carry hope. Namwari, sweet Luga, someday things will work out for my good. I keep on walking even when I'm bruised. The journey of life is not an easy one, but we do not lose hope. We keep holding on. Lift your cup up high, even if your hands are shaking. Dance with the tears still drying in your eyes, because deep inside, sweet Luga, it will all come through. Maybe you're waiting for a phone call, maybe you're waiting for a job, maybe you're waiting for a healing, maybe you're asking God how long. Maybe you've been praying for your family, maybe you've been praying for your children, maybe you've been praying for one door to finally open. Listen, don't give up tonight. Dinoziva Jakaoma, asimwari bachiri kushanda. You may not see sweet Luga, sweet Luga, sweet Luga, sweet Luga. Grace Amara, for everybody who almost gave up, for the mother who keeps smiling, for the father carrying silent pressure, for the young person wondering when their time will come, for the one sleeping with tears tonight. Mari, Vachi, Varipo. Your pain is not the end of your story. Suvarako ya, your morning is coming. I still stand, I'm still